just take it day by day. Sometimes it's rain, sometimes it's snow, sometimes the sun may hide, sometimes it shows. I'm just like that. I'm starting to own that life's a whole lot better when I let it go. Where it's gonna go, I'm hard on myself too often when I'm not achieving every goal.